Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the Kaggle API token and ensuring your environment can use it. Download Kaggle. JSON from your Kaggle account, then install the client with pip install Kaggle. Once done, create the Kaggle folder in your home directory, move the Kaggle JSON file into it, and set secure permissions with chmod 600. These steps let the API authenticate from Jupyter without exposing credentials, so you can run dataset commands directly from a notebook cell. You now perform the download inside a notebook. Open a cell and run the Kaggle download command with the dataset identifier, for example. Kaggle datasets download downer /dataset name p/data unzip. Make sure the /data folder exists and you have sufficient disk space, otherwise create it with mkdir pdata. If you need a single file, use file name. If you must re-download, use force. This approach keeps everything in your project folder, and ready for pandas, you finish by loading and verifying the data in notebook cells. Use pandas, df equals pd, read csv data /file, csv and then df head to confirm columns and types. For large datasets, prefer chunk size or dask to avoid memory issues. If files are zipped, ensure they were unzipped or use zip file to extract. If something fails, check the Kaggle JSON location and permissions, and confirm the API key matches your account. Fixing that usually resolves authentication errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.